We've only one trophy left? Yeah? Okay. The overall winner of Volvo Cork Week will be presented with the Kinsale Kettle. As you heard, there was a number of boats and fleets had all first places, so this came down to the spreadsheet. We have the spreadsheet because we know it's going to be pulled out. So the overall winner by 0.009 points from the National Yacht Club, Johnny Treanor, Valentina. Can we get a better round of applause for the overall winner, please? Hip hip!